This is my favorite fish, my favorite recipe. I get asked all the time, so here goes. First, make sure you clean your fish, put it on a paper towel so it can dry out a little bit. Get your seasonings together, Mrs. Dash, Old Bay seasoning, of course, and extra virgin olive oil. And here's my secret, y'all. Boursin garnish cheese. If you've never tried this before, get it right now and you can thank me later. Next, I like to cut slits into my fish, and you'll see why in just a second. It makes it easier to kind of spread this garnish cheese. Next, I also like to let it defrost a little bit more, kind of like let it sit out a little bit. I didn't do it this time. That's why it looks like it's in crumbles. But anyways, I like to spread the cheese inside these slits because I want to get every little piece of flavoring. Next, season with my Old Bay seasoning and Mrs. Dash. Yes, get it all in there. Get all that flavor. And then, of course, I like to put the extra virgin olive oil on top of it. Next, make sure that you preheat your oven 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Depends on how you like your fish. I like mine to be nice and crispy. So I'm putting it in for about 20 minutes, probably add a little bit more time on it. And it comes out looking like this. Now, it might not be the prettiest, but let me tell you, it is delicious. Pair it up with some brown rice for a healthy carb. You got a meal going on. Listen, look at that. It's not burnt on the inside, but I do like